Hello, hey guys, welcome to back my YouTube channel. Trading views the error problem, the maintenance alert maintenance. You are happy something for daily maintenance alert will be back. So coming thank for your PDMs. The trending application and website is not working. Error problems and different error problem. The website is loading problems, the live trading ethereum and different queen the error problems. And first of all, the don't detective website open, the server has been crash problem. Let's me the checking, the server has been crashing problem. The website 78% error problems. And the audience the commented the error problem, the shares and officially but any solve the issues and executor handle the trending views, the officially account the error problem, the share announcement, the officially team. Thank for watching these videos.